think I'm just gonna use this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to draw my skin. And I'm going to make a rainbow. So I'm gonna start with red. Ask your parents permission if you're a little kid, like about 6 years old. Let's see if it's better. So maybe that's it. Probably not. Really see it. What's the best I could? And maybe someone else wants to be drawn on. Let me go check if there's any customers. Beep, 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 beep. Seems like there is. So let's draw on this. What do you want to be drawn? Beep, 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 beep. I think he said he wants to be drawn on the front. Okay then. What color? Green. Okay, green. What do you want me to draw? A map, please. Okay, a map for you. A map for you, Mr. Track. Okay. Put a smiley face. Not sure if you could see it, but I did draw a happy smile. Let's see. I don't know if you can really see it, but I do a smiley face. Alright. That's it. I think here comes another customer. Why, hello. Is anyone here? What is that hideous thing? I just go. Okay, I found another customer. And what would you want? I want to have to be recolored on the back, please. Okay, that's on you. What color? Let's see. Red, please. Alright, coming right up. I did draw. Could you erase it in an hour? Somehow like that when I come back today. Okay, we could do that for you. Alright, see you in an hour. Okay. Hi guys, we'll see you in an hour. Alright, we're back in an hour. She should be coming any minute. So I wonder when she's gonna come. I'm back. Okay then. Let's erase this. Okay, all erased. Hopefully. Let's see. Yeah, I think it's all erased now. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, I got eyes. Ding ding, question time. Okay, she's gonna ask you a question. Remember what color I wanted to paint on my back. Put your answer in the comments. Bye. She said, what color did we paint on her in the back? Comment down below. Bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And comment the question. Answer the question in the comments. Bye.